Hello guys, it's Wandering World again. Welcome back and enjoy watching our video. So welcome to Quebec guys. We are here today and we're gonna explore the old Quebec. So we're going to start in this area and we're gonna walk all the way down there. So there's a lot of people today. So if you're new to our channel, this is Wandering World. And don't forget to like, share, comment down below. Yeah. Right, Mr. Wandering World?
It's Friday.
Yeah. So we're gonna tour around. This is our view up here. See? Oh. Yeah, it's so nice up here. There's a boat down there. Yeah. So these are the historic sites here. They said that the what you call this? Saints. Yeah. So let's continue. There's a lot of tours. There are tours. Yeah. Yeah. So here you can see this area also.
Those were cars on that boat.
Oh really?
Wow.
So all that cars, are they gonna ride that boat?
I think that's maybe people. I don't know. Maybe it's cars. What's that?
So,
Looks like a slide.
we're
down
just
there.
gonna walk around here. Oh, look at all the canyons. Right?
Look at that grill.
Yeah. Here, there's a free show
Let's
here.
put the rope. On va se faire un public
Half of bus.
and
Here
an
also,
obligation to make
there are
another
buses.
one.
Now let's walk down there. And you can do hop on hop of bus. A red building. It's so cute there. And then there's the information center. Let's visit there. You can read that. After we get some information, so we're gonna continue our tour. And these are the small. Wow, look at this. Oh, so pretty. Oh,
They're beautiful. Isn't it?
yeah. Wow. So we'll continue here. So we'll go this way. Oh, look at here. Where? Mona Lisa decided to get into the basilica.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh. Let's see if
So this is the inside of the basilica. It's so pretty. After we visited the church, the basilica, we're gonna continue
I think that's the main
tour
road.
around. Maybe we can ride that one.
It's right there.
Oh, they have sail there. Oh.
I got to get in the sun. In the shade. You stop and let me out.
The
Do the other one.
Wala ako dito, oh. Souvenir. Quebec souvenir.
That's pretty good, ain't it?
Let's go, sugar daddy.
Look at the hatch. So I see they got a bag of something. Look at that big arch up
Is this the one?
there. Yep, looking up there. Is that some sort of
No.
church up there?
Oh, chocolate.
Oh, they have ice cream cones.
We're going to
This will get
check this out. We're gonna visit Quebec. We need to stop here and buy some popcorns. So we're gonna try before we're going to buy.
Great choice. Get no coffee. Multiple?
Look, he gives us
Chocolate.
extra.
Oh, he gave us extra. He is happy. Oh, tanawa ng mga popcorn. So Mary's Popcorn Shop. Have a lot of flavors. If you want protein also, this way.
Geil muss ausschauen.
So we walk from there and now we are here at the entrance area.
There's one over there in the shade.
Let's sit down there. So you can go up there and walk all the way to the castle or just go up here. That's the view up here, guys. And we are going to continue walking to the other side.
Walking.
Yeah, this is another entrance.
Weird.
Yeah, and then we're gonna get in all the way there. Maybe.
That way you can enjoy that walking around.
Yeah. Oh, tag 10 na lang, oh. Oh, it's dripping. Quebec tour. Now we're back again here to the middle, to the end, and we are going to the other side. Okay, here is in the middle. So it's nice here while you're walking because they have a lot of benches that you can sit down and relax and just enjoy the view around here in Quebec. So now we're back to the information center and we are going to walk down there. So we go down here. Oh, look at that. So that's the down. So we are going down there.
Let's go down over there.
Yeah, we will look. Ay, look at this. Look at that.
Hold on.
Like mini park.
Look at the drone.
Oh, yeah. Ah, what are you looking there?
It's the 2-year anniversary. Yeah. It's funny because the drone.
What's in there now?
Nothing.
let's just continue here.
Straight across. Now the boats are
Hi there, you the umbrella street. Oh, there you go.
really. Oh,
Welcome
that's
to
it.
the umbrella street.
Look at all around the corner.
Yeah,
Way up
all
there.
the way there.
Yeah, umbrellas hanging in the sky.
All the umbrella.
Hey, hey. Bye bye.
Then we're going to ride going back up there. We're going to ride. Here we go.
They basically said you have to
Look, you can see out the window in the top.
If we fall down, we are here. Yay, we're done. $6. We're back here.
It's better.
It's better, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you can still ride here to go down for $6.
Look at the big port over there. 12 minutes away.
Okay, so bye guys. So hope you enjoy our tour around here in Quebec, the old
Old town.
Quebec, old town. So see you on our next adventure. So don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell for our next adventure. Init. So bye guys. Huy, bye bye.
Bye bye.